In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate ClickUp with GitHub. This integration can be a game changer for streamlining your project management and development processes, ensuring that you and your team can work more efficiently and cohesively. Whether you're managing a software development team or juggling various projects, integrating these two platforms can help you keep everything in sync effortlessly. To get started, the first thing you need to do is sign in to your ClickUp account. Once you've signed in, you'll want to navigate to the workspace settings. You'll find this option on the sidebar, usually by clicking on your workspace name or the settings icon. In ClickUp, the workspace settings is your control center where you can customize different integrations and manage other administrative tasks. Now, once you're in the workspace settings, look for the App Center. The App Center is where ClickUp houses its library of integrations, allowing you to connect with an array of tools and services that support your workflow. In this space, you'll find a variety of options, but for today's purpose, we're focusing on GitHub. Simply search for GitHub in the App Center search bar. Upon locating GitHub, you'll want to click on the Connect button. This action will initiate the integration process between ClickUp and GitHub. An important thing to note here, this integration permits ClickUp to access information from your GitHub repositories, which is essential for keeping tasks and code updates linked seamlessly. Next, you'll be prompted to sign into your GitHub account. If you're not already logged in, make sure you have your GitHub credentials at hand. This involves entering your username and password, so keep those nearby to ensure a smooth and quick setup process. Once you've logged into GitHub, GitHub will ask you to authorize ClickUp to access your repositories. This authorization is a crucial step. By granting this access, you enable ClickUp to communicate with GitHub, allowing it to pull and push data necessary to reflect updates in real time. Rest assured that this is a standard procedure designed to ensure that both platforms can interact securely and efficiently. And there you have it. Your ClickUp is now linked with GitHub. This simple integration empowers you to automate the way you manage tasks, track development progress, and collaborate with your team. You can track GitHub commits, pull requests, and branches directly from ClickUp, which brings a higher level of efficiency and oversight to your project management. Remember, leveraging tools like this not only saves time, but also ensures better collaboration across your project spectrum. If you encounter any issues or have questions along the way, both ClickUp and GitHub offer robust support and community forums to help guide you. Enjoy the newfound synergy between your project management and code collaboration efforts.